Today we're going to have a different type of quick look. In this case, we're looking at something that's actually been removed from an application. So here in Adobe Audition, with the latest release, and let's see what that is here. So I'll go to About Audition. We can see this is version 26.3.0.79. So this is June the 18th of 2026, and this version just came out today. So I've got a file opened here, and yeah, so what's new in Audition is that when you create a new file, something's missing, right? So you used to have 3 different project types here. You could create a multi-track session, you could create a new audio file, or you could create a CD layout. And the CD layout stuff was pretty useful if you didn't have anything else. I used something completely different. But it could be useful for people if you don't want to buy a dedicated, other piece of software for doing those sorts of things. And so it's missing now from Audition. They've completely removed the ability to lay out tracks for CD format. If we go to File, New, it's missing from there as well. Should say CD layout down there. And very interesting. One thing that interests me quite a bit is that we do still retain the ability to extract audio from a CD, which, I mean, in my case, and I'm sure this is like a lot of others, I don't have a disk drive. So I use a Mac Mini, and there's no disk drive. I also use a laptop with no disk drive, a MacBook. I haven't used a disk drive in maybe 8 to 10 years. It's just not something that I've used in terms of reading or writing any physical media. So yeah, they did retain the ability to extract audio from a CD, but you can no longer create or lay out a CD or burn a CD inside of Audition, which, I don't know why exactly they would do this because, it's not hurting anything. I know, there's lots of other solutions and so forth. I can't imagine that it was the problem with some sort of, library or, a piece of software that was being used. It's not a codec problem or anything, right? Because CD audio, the Redbook specifications for that, it's an open spec. So it's not anything that's proprietary, that's really, something to be controlled and updated and so forth. So it's very weird. But yeah, that's it for this. Big Audition update where a third of the application has been removed, basically. So make of that what you will.